Located in Barangay Catmon, Santa Maria, Bulacan, dito nyo makikita ang Northgrove Hills by Dolmar Land. Owning a home can give you the feeling of success and a sense of security. Here in Northgrove Hills by Dolmar Land, in their Aspen unit, we can see the opportunities for investment and even creating new memories. I'm Sophie Reyes, and join me as we discover Dolmar Land. Tara! May tubo na ba yung basil ko? Joke lang, guys. But that can be your future. Dito sa Aspen model unit natin, agad-agad na makikita ninyo na may space for planting. If you want some suggestions and you want something colorful, there's birds of paradise or orange eugenia, that can be the future of your garden here in Northgrove Hills. Dito sa Northgrove Hills, I think it's super important to take note of na malapit ito sa schools, malls, and hospitals, kaya very accessible siya. I take note rin, malapit rin ito sa mga major highways natin. Uy, andito na tayo sa parking lot. Okay, so this area can be used as a parking space, and as you can see, mas may extra space pa siya dito na you can turn into your own special nook. So this is something where you can relax, enjoy, read a book, where you can plant, or you can also spend time here with your family and friends on a nice windy day. Here at Northgrove Hills, it's perfect for any type of lifestyle dahil magkakaroon ng basketball court, swimming pool, and even a park for children. Kung ikaw naman ay nature lover, makakaroon sila ng 1.4 hectares ng tree park kung saan ikaw ay pwede mag-enjoy ng leisure walks or even meditate and relax. Ang gusto ko dito is ginawa nila siyang parang may bench. So, nayu-utilize talaga yung space natin. Pero if you have small kids or small dogs, pwede rin kayo maglagay ng mga inflatable pools for the summertime. Daling ko naman kayo sa ating dirty kitchen that is just a few steps away from here. So here we have more space na once turned over, meron na ring built-in sink at saka may outlet kung gusto niyo siyang gamitin as a dirty kitchen. Tapos syempre, if gusto niyo rin mag-laundry dito or magsampay, it is a good place kasi medyo tago naman siya from your neighbors. And I will show you na napaka-accessible ng house na ito dahil meron rin tayong door that is an entryway that leads to the main house. Welcome to Aspen. So this home has a lot area of 80 square meters and a floor area of 63.34 square meters. As you can see dito sa Aspen, mas spacious siya. And again, once you enter, you can turn it into a living room which fits a 4-seater couch. And then it will lead you naman to the dining room and the kitchen, again making everything so accessible yet still spacious. This is a place that is perfect for big families and big groups. And if you want to make an investment and have it rented out in the future, this is the place I think will be for you. Here we are at the dining room. Our dining room is very spacious and can sit up to 6 people, or actually, pwede pa natin siya extend a little more if you have more guests. And of course, we want to make the space very accessible, so we have our kitchen just right here. Upon turnover, kasama na rin ang ating countertop and ang backsplash just to prevent water damage sa ating mga walls. And of course, We also have an area here for our refrigerator and also a water dispenser if that's something you want to have. At saka may outlet na rin tayo dyan. And, of course, kasi syempre, di ba, ang Dolmar land, naiisip na ang lahat at gusto nila easy access and efficient ang use of space. So, there is also a door here that leads to our dirty kitchen. Tsaka syempre, hindi natin maiiwasan kapag nagluluto tayo or nag-iihaw at saka medyo malakas talaga yung smoke at saka yung amoy, kailangan natin ng extra ventilation. Kaya, easy access tayo dito sa door natin. Here you will see that the floor is 60 by 60 centimeter ceramic tiles. And you will see that the walls are painted plain cement plaster finish. For the ground floor, the ceiling is painted steel deck. As for the ceiling of the second floor, it is 3.5mm hardy flex on steel metal furring. And lastly, the ceiling is quite higher than the standard. It is 2.9 meters from floor to ceiling. Here on the ground floor, meron ring toilet and bath. And makikita natin, ang flooring natin is 30 by 30 unglazed ceramic. So, sakto to kasi hindi ka agad-agad madudulas. While the walls naman ay 30 by 30 na glazed ceramic. Kaya, mas madali siyang linisin. So, from floor to tile, it's 1.2 meters. Palang space dito. I think bahay ata to ni Harry Potter. Joke lang. Anyway, so itong space naman ito, again, if you want to use it for your for rent or you have big family vacations, this is a space na you can use to store your items. Tsaka madaling makapag-organize dyan. Tara, let's head on upstairs. Second floor, this is the master's bedroom at makikita mo naman talaga na napaka-spacious niya. So you'll see here, kasyang-kasya ang isang queen-size bed and sobrang dami mo parang walking space. And depende how you style the room, makakapaglagay ka pa ng closet and dresser. At saka nga, dahil tayo ay punong-puno ng windows, makakapag-save tayo ng energy at si Mother Earth kasi we can use natural sunlight habang allowing the air to cool us and ventilate the room. Ay, meron din akong fun fact. Kapag ang room mo ay merong space, dapat ikaw ay maglagay ng mga bagay na makakapag-add ng positivity and wellness to your life. So, magandang maglagay ng plant in your room just to attract positivity. And syempre, it's nice na rin to nourish you. Once the unit is turned over to you, meron na ring provision for air conditioning na ready to install. So again, this is the master's bedroom. Now let's head to the other room, which is just right across. Here we are in our second room. So, mapapansin natin na medyo mas pahaba yung room. So, dito, pwede tayo maglagay ng semi-double bed and isang single pull-out bed. So, syempre, depende pa rin yan on your needs. Tapos, meron ka pa rin enough space for a desk at meron ka pa rin cabinet space. Again, sobrang magdedepende talaga on how you're going to style it or kung gaano kalaki yung pamilya mo or yung mga friends mo na gusto mo i-invite over. Ang maganda rin tungkol sa room na to is very maaliwala siya kasi meron tayong mga aluminum sliding windows. So we have 1, 2, and 3 which brings in natural light and at the same time, fresh air. And dahil ang ating ceilings ay medyo mas mataas than usual, pwede rin tayo maglagay ng mga decorations or extra storage space. Dito sa second floor, meron din siyang toilet and bath. Here, it comes with different fixtures such as the shower head, the toilet, and the sink. Makita rin natin na ang ginamit na material for the door ay PVC, which is moisture resistant at saka through time, hindi siya magdi-discolor at saka magwo-warp. The Aspen home unit is for you if you are a person who is looking for space and practicality. Actually, kahit single ka, this is a place that you can get and use as an investment dahil it has enough space to have it rented out for groups and families. Talaga namang sa presyo at serbisyo, lamang ka sa Dolmar Land. Again, I'm Sophie Reyes and thank you for joining me in discovering Dolmar Land. Please follow, like, and subscribe on our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And abangan ang more videos from Dolmar Land. See you guys!